Hello out there, Ron Smiley here. Let's take a quick look at your weather forecast and what's going on. We're not going to see much change for what I talked about this morning. We're pretty much locked in a pattern. We're going to see some isolated storms later on this afternoon. Most folks, just like yesterday, will be dry, but if you do see some of the rain, a lot of lightning, gusty winds, and obviously downpours, heavy rainfall in a short amount of time will certainly be possible. There is that small storm chance. We're going to be hot. Either way it goes, we actually have 90 degrees in play. Could be the first 90-degree day of the year. I'm keeping us at 89 degrees. We'll see how close we get to 90, but I can tell you that we are tracking temperatures into the 90s at this point with how warm we are at this time. 3 o'clock temperature 88, 89 at 5 o'clock. Cloudy, or at least we start to cloud up just a little bit more. Why are we going to do that? Well, because of what's happening to the south. Look at this. Look at the cloud cover right there. Man, even though Alberto, now a subtropical depression, is inland, still holding together pretty well at this point. I will say, though, that you are starting to see some things on the eastern side. It does look like the center is now exposed. We're starting to see some fronts developing, but a lot of moisture wrapped into the system. And the latest track with that system, well, I'll try to get over to that latest track with what's going on with Alberto. And we are going to be looking at, let me try to go right there. We are going to be looking at the latest track, taking it into the really western flank of Indiana before it makes a slow right turn. Now, the maximum sustained winds haven't really changed, still at 30 miles an hour. Obviously, it's a ways from us, but what it is going to do is going to open up moisture coming in from the Gulf, and that means big totals for us when it comes to rain. We're looking at anywhere from 1 to 2, maybe upwards of 3 inches of rain. I would say you should expect 1 to 2 inches of rain. Some areas will likely see more than 3 inches. There's a look at your precipitation outlook. Best chances Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We'll also be looking at a smaller rain chance over the week. It doesn't look like either Saturday or Sunday will be a washout. Well, I got to go. The noon show is about to start, so hopefully you join me for that. Also, we'll be around later tonight. Actually, Jeff Verzella will be in later tonight with the latest on your forecast and what could happen with Alberto.